Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish up the soup because my roomie's texting me saying like, oh, she has to do like a meeting soon, so I gotta I'm last time was doing a meeting and I was like, I think I was playing a game or something. I was like, ha ha ha. She got so mad at me. She was like, you're too fucking loud and my clients can hear you, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm sorry. Please. I try to be quiet. I'm sorry. I'm going aside. It's not fair because when I'm working, she's quiet, so it's not really fair if I'm like not quiet when she's working. So that was my fault. I hope you enjoyed the scuff singing, and I hope you enjoyed the conversations. Sorry, I had to kind of rush towards the end because somebody's threatening me to stop talking. So please rest up for everybody who stayed up and accompanying me to the day just to talk about literally nothing, and get some good rest, have a good meal, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.